Hello, Dr. Rector and fellow Institutional Management for Healthcare classmates. This interview was conducted on Wednesday, October 25th by myself and our fellow classmate, Ms. Fallon Chaney. We were granted the opportunity to interview the former CEO of the University of Illinois Hospital and Health Sciences Systems, Mr. Michael Zinn. So, a little bit about the journey of Mr. Zinn. Mr. Zinn has more than a 40-year journey in the healthcare field. He has held a cross section of roles within and outside of UI Health. His career began with his education in systems and accounting, and from there he went into information systems consulting, and he continued to climb the corporate ladder. And from there, as a hospital CIO, a chief revenue cycle officer, and then moving on to begin his career at UI Health in 2015. Mr. Zinn is a true example to follow when it comes to organizations that a future healthcare administrator should consider joining. These organizations can open doors for networking, increased knowledge, and future job opportunities. While Fallon and I interviewed Mr. Zinn, he shared some very useful and important information for future healthcare administrators such as ourselves. And here are a few tips that stood out the most to Fallon and I. Mr. Zinn stated that as a leader, you should not lead by position or title, but as a leader, you should get to know your staff and lead by getting to know the person and having a relationship with them. Get to know them on a personal level and treat them as adults and with respect, just as you would like to be treated. Another important fact he mentioned was having skills to motivate and having initiative to get the job done. I'm sorry, to self motivate and have an initiative to get the job done. This is an important skill any leader should possess for success. If your team can see that if your team sees that you have no drive, they won't have drive. If they see that you can jump in and get the job done, they'll be motivated to do the same. He also stated that it's important to communicate with your staff. Help them understand that their contribution and input to the organization matters. Another skill he mentioned for new health administrators was being able to possess project management skills while performing your duties. And as a token of inspiration, he suggested reading The Tao Chang by Stephen Mitchell. He states this book is a quick read and it has leadership quotes for leaders to read on how to lead and act with people. This last video is showing the full video that Fallon and I conducted with Mr. Michael Zinn. I hope that you enjoy it and that it will inspire you to be the best healthcare administrator there is. Thank you.